Welcome to Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Carrie, and today we're talking about a question that comes up often in Texas divorce cases. Are there any loopholes to avoid paying alimony in a Texas divorce? Alimony, or more accurately, spousal maintenance in Texas, is not automatically granted. Understanding how the law works can help you where you stand. Okay, first of all, it's important to know that Texas has stricter alimony laws than many other states. So spousal maintenance is only awarded under very specific circumstances, such as when a spouse is unable to meet their minimum reasonable needs due to disability, marriage of the 10 years or more, or if there was domestic violence. So in many of these cases, people don't qualify for maintenance in the first place. That's not a loophole, it's just the legal standard. Now, some people wonder if they can find any way around paying alimony by reducing income or like hiding assets or quitting a job. Let's be clear, very clear. These strategies are not only unethical, but they can backfire on you legally. So courts look closely at both parties' financial situations, and intentionally manipulating finances can lead to penalties or even criminal consequences in court. Texas judges have a great deal of discretion though. They won't hesitate to hold someone accountable for deceptive behavior. That said, there are legitimate strategies for minimizing or avoiding a spousal maintenance order. Okay, for instance, parties can negotiate a property division that compensates one spouse up front rather than with ongoing payments. Or during mediation, a spouse might agree to waive spousal maintenance in exchange for a greater share of the assets. These types of negotiations are completely legal and often preferred over a drawn-out litigation. So if you're going through a divorce and are concerned about alimony, your best option is to work with an experienced Texas family law attorney. We can really help you understand what you're legally obligated to do and what you're not, and guide you toward the smartest financial outcome for your future. So please, make sure to schedule your free 30-minute consultation, and we're here to help you navigate your divorce with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.